Bro, another SVR. Come on. I'm trying to upload my videos, Binghamton, and you keep messing it up, bro. Like, come on. Really, dude?
At 4 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Gibson, or 12 miles north of Carbondale.
Goodness, what the heck?
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Honesdale, Clifford, Forest City, Waymart, Vandling, Uniondale, Prompton, Bethany, Pleasant Mount, and Royal. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following county: Wayne, Pennsylvania.
Whoa, what the heck? Oh my gosh, now a doubleheader? Are you for real now? Bro, are you serious? Doubleheader? Okay, what the heck? SVR. Bro, what the heck?
Thunderstorm warning for northeastern Morris County, central Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey until 4:45.
Okay, Mount Holly, you seriously didn't have to cause a doubleheader on KZZ31 now? Come on.
Ogdensburg or near Newton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard,
Bro, are you
60
serious
miles
right
per
now?
hour wind gusts and quarter-size.
Oh, come on, dude.
Minor damage to
Like,
vehicles
seriously?
is possible.
Bro,
Wind damage
that's
to
what
roofs,
caused the doubleheader on
siding, trees,
KZZ31.
and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Dover, Hopatcong, Lincoln Park, Kinloch, Boonton, Butler, Wharton, Rockaway, Mount Arlington, Mountain Lakes, Stanhope, Riverdale, Hamburg,
Oh my gosh.
Ogdensburg, Andover, Lake Mohawk, Sequanic Township, Lake Telemark, and Green Pond.
Goodness.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor
Bro,
of
you
a building.
seriously gotta chill.
In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
My gosh.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Passaic County in northeastern New Jersey, Bergen County.
Oh my gosh, what the heck?